Hey glam dolls, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video and welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. And today I don't really know what I'm doing. I just wanted to record a video. I got these two things from Burlington's, so I wanted to share with you guys and maybe do an eye look. So the first thing I got was this BB little glitter palette. Normally it's $7. I got it for $3.99. And then I got this glamour palette for $4.99, and normally it's $8. Tell me this doesn't look like an Anastasia palette. It even has like a little mirror in here and everything. I was just like, okay, come through. So I'm gonna try and create a look with these two today, and then we'll see what happens. Oh, this is cute. I thought it was like a square. This is really cute. Let's see. It feels kind of cheap and flimsy though. So that's what it looks like. This one's calling my name right there. So let's swatch it and see. So that's what it looks like on the finger. It like did nothing. And I like really dug into it. And like most of it stuck on my finger. Wow. And I can pick it back up with my finger too. That sucks. I really want this to work because it's really cute. It just comes out kind of patchy, like, if you guys can really see it, and I think it's oil based. Alright. Oh, first I'm gonna prime my eyelids because I always do that. So let's be fair. So we're just gonna use a Maybelline Age Rewind. So like, what's up you guys? How you guys been? I know I've been like absent as heck, but like, this is my second video I'm recording today. So I'm getting back on schedule, and I just have so many goals for next year that I need to, half the goals I started now, and the other half I'm going to start later, because my husband kind of smashed his finger off at work, and so he's still kind of healing from that. So and we go to the gym together, and so I'm just kind of waiting for him to heal. And my life has been crazy, it feels like. So I just want to start my YouTube up again and my channel, and then next year just start working out. I started eating healthy a little bit, just like very recently, like within the past couple days. But ooh, there's a lot of fallout. I literally like barely touched it. But yeah, so we're gonna do like a burgundy eye look, and I'm super excited. But okay. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's like blending pretty easy. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. And that was this color. I went in with this color. I'm creepy, I know. Ugh, it's backwards. I went into this color here where you can see the fallout. I should have went into a different one, but I went straight in, girl. These are really pigmented. I'm like, what? Okay, they're not blending that well together though. But yeah, what are some of your guys' goals? Let me know down below. I would love to know your guys' goals. See, there's like a patchy mark right here. So I'm gonna do this eye only on camera, and then I'll do the other eye, like, because I noticed that the videos be way too long when I add both the eyes. Okay, next we're gonna go in with this color here. I really should have went in with this color first, but I don't know, I just didn't. So let's go in with this one. This one looks a little, I don't know. So I'm just dabbing it in, and then once the color starts like, that's pretty, we're just gonna bring it over a little bit. So it's coming out a little bit more pink than burgundy, I feel like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this brownish color, and I'm gonna go in with a different brush. I'm gonna go in with just like a smaller brush, or I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brush. This little, like, I don't know what type of brush this is, but we're gonna go in with that, and we're just gonna like deepen the color here. It's coming out pretty, it's coming out pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out really fast. Okay, so I don't think it's that bad. Like, there's a lot of pigment there. Like, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take like a clean brush, and I'm gonna go in with this like color that I should have gone in with, and I'm just gonna put it like at the top. Not at the top, but like just up here. Give it more color. More the color I was looking for. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. And all I did, actually I went in with this color and this color. Just to give it like a, see, that looks so pretty. So I don't know, I feel like the colors kind of ran together. They didn't really like, I mean, they blended well together, but I don't know. We'll just see the final product, because you know it always looks crazy until the final. So next I'm gonna go ahead and just do my face real fast, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and did my face. I didn't do any highlight yet. I'm gonna save that for last, and then we're just gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line and just see how it turns out. I'm gonna start with, I don't know what this is called. Oh, this is a blending eye brush. I'm gonna go in with that one, and we're gonna go in with this orangish tan brownish color on the bottom one. We're just gonna smoke it out. No, okay. That was like one. That was a lot. That was a lot. I'm gonna go into with the M213. I'm gonna go in with this burgundy color here. Yes, hunty. I'm like shook at this palette. This palette was actually really good. So next, I'm still deciding what I want to do with my top lid, because I don't know about this. I don't know about it. So we're gonna try it. And if that doesn't work out, I'll just go in with, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, and what color should I do my waterline? Let's do black. I haven't done black in a while. I don't even know where any of my black good eyeliners are. So we're just gonna use this one. Okay. I'm gonna go in with, because I'm not gonna do the rose gold because I don't think it'll look good with this eye look. So we're just gonna go in with this gold. So I don't know how I should apply it. I think it applied best with a brush. So we're gonna use a brush. Where's the brush that I was using? We're just gonna use this crease brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna spritz it because I think that helped it. Milani one because I don't use it, so I'm just gonna use it for this. Cause I'd be wasting my Morphe one, and we ain't trying to do that. I'm just like swiping in here, and that's what came off. So let's pray. Not too bad. Wow. I'm a little shook. I mean, next time what I think I'll do is I'll put like a gold color under, and this wasn't supposed to go that far. This is cute. Like, I didn't want to go anywhere with my makeup all done, but dang, this is cute. Like, bitch, who are you? Yes, I did this. I did this. Like, look at it. It's so cute. See, that's why swatches don't matter. That's exactly why swatches don't matter. Cause look, now I'm getting that shit on there. I mean, it is a little patchy, don't get me wrong. Like, this one went on better, to be honest with you. But, I mean, it is a little patchy, but still, like, it's cute. Then we'll do our highlight. I'm gonna go in with Pixie by Petra. And I'll use probably the tanner shade. Yes. Look at that. What should I do for my lip? I just got this in my Ipsy. I think this would be cute. So we're gonna use this one. Bitch, yes.